So this is the healthcare rate, sir. So which option you would like to choose? Of course, if you want, we can discuss all also. That's not the problem.
Okay.
Here, based on, do you want to try percentage of salary?
Yeah, maybe percentage of salary.
Let's go with this. Okay, healthcare rate name, what we will give? AMD. Percentage of salary. Same configuration, sir. But here the coverage is completely based on the
You
employee salary.
you chose none there.
Sorry, I have chosen.
Go back to you said none of the above at the last this thing. Are we not
Oh,
supposed to take salary?
okay, we can still go with this combination. None of the above as well. But let's go with salary
Okay.
because very few I create. One moment, someone refreshed.
Or it doesn't matter, we can take none of demographic factors to consider.
Uh, sorry, sir. One moment. AMD
Healthcare rate percentage.
salary percentage. Okay, percentage of salary. So, okay, description is optional. Source of salary based on the employee base pay or any elements or total base pay. Multiple options we have, sir. So
Okay.
normally we'll go with only base pay or elements also. So I will
Base
explain
pay.
the difference. So, for example, let's assume the healthcare rate is. Assume a customer asking us to create healthcare coverage based on the base pay plus car allowance, sir. Okay. For example, if you choose here, oh, we have not moved data. One moment. Someone is keep refreshing. Just a second. 5 seconds. Okay, AMD. Okay, we'll go with none of the above. Okay. So you are in this page, sir. Okay. So you remember just now you created. So let's say if any customer has, some customers may say healthcare coverage is based on the only base pay. Then please please choose total base pay. If any customer said healthcare is based on two components like salary and car allowance, like this, you need to include these two components into one. That we can do with the help of maintain compensation element group, select AMD first. So you need to create first this element group, sir. Okay.
Okay.
So what you are doing here is baseband two compensation elements you are assigning under one element group. What will happen here is it will accumulate both the values, employee baseband, car allowance, and then the percentage will be calculated. If you want to go with that option. So this same, remember, AMD base pay plus car allowance. Now you will have here. Okay. So the amount is going to be calculated based on these two. So mostly customers prefer base pay. Let's we go with total base pay. It's up to customer's call. We'll try that also. Now combine all jobs for salary source. An employee sometimes may hold more than one job. Okay, more than one job. So the total base pay is look into both the jobs. For example, an employee in two positions, sir. Position A, position B. Position A is 5,000 US dollars. Position B has 3,000 US dollars. If I select this, it look into both the positions, salaries, 5,000 plus 3,000, 8,000. Based on that, the percentage will be calculated. Clear on that?
Yeah.
If I select the checkbox, combine benefit jobs for salary and sources, sometimes, let's say I'm in India. Okay, my primary position in India as a project manager. So for 6 months, I have traveled to USA. Okay, for some project, short-term project. Now I'm in another position, international assignment. So I am working in two different positions. Okay, there also I'm getting salary, in India also I'm getting salary. So I need to include both. Then both jobs I can select. It's up to customer's call. If you don't select either of the checkbox, it will pick up the employee primary position. Based on that, the base pay will be calculated. Okay. So salary request monthly, calculate as of event date. This is quite common. Now annual rate comp element won't be available for this. These two values are available only if you select comp element or if you select annual rate type. Okay. For TBP, doesn't applicable. Okay. Now go to the rate bands, rate and definitions. Who are all part of this healthcare? So I will select here. We'll select employee only, employee plus spouse, employee
plus
family.
children.
We'll take family. Okay, sir. These three. Okay. Then here you have minimum cost and maximum cost. When you select the checkbox, it will whatever the rate bands we're entering min and maximum. From there it will start. Or since we're going with percentage, you can ignore. Rounding rule means sometimes the decimal values will come. You want to make it as up, round down. Okay, like $1 US. Let's say an employee is contributing somewhere $39. You want to make it as round up or round down or round up to 0.199 something came. You want to add the 0.1. So for that, we have this round up and round down optionals. Go to the red band. Okay, select OK. Now the red bands will be created. Red band definitions for these three. These are the red bands, sir. Okay, fine. So what is the percentage here? Employee coverage target. So we'll take some random numbers here. Can you help me? How much percentage you want to calculate only for employee? We'll start from here.
Only 5%.
5%. Okay. For spouse?
8%.
Employee plus spouse, 8%. Family?
10%.
10%. Perfect. Good numbers. Okay. This is employee post-tax. Okay. Do I need this one? Okay. Let's go with this only. We are going with some percentage calculation. Hence, I'm going with this. It's a pre-tax. Okay. Not post-tax and non-taxable. Okay. So as I said, credits and surcharges I will discuss, sir. Now create this one, red band. AMD healthcare rate, salary percentage. Same process. I will reuse the yesterday's coverage target. Okay. Coverage type we created, right, sir? The same thing I will reuse. So access the task, create benefit plan. Effective date, provider, MetLife on your select, plan type,
Healthcare.
healthcare. Thank you. And here select calculated rate because percentage calculation we are doing. Okay. Coverage type, AMD medical. Classifications we can select. Yesterday one we selected. Now we will select something PPO. Then I will hit, okay. This is active employees in US. Oh, dependent eligibility rule anyhow yesterday we created. So I'm gonna send the same answer, okay? Either spouse, child or daughter. Yesterday, remember, we created one.
Yeah.
I'm reusing some. Okay. No overage during passive event, we will cover this. This is high deductible plan, derive coverage targets. When you select the checkbox, automatically whenever you're selecting an employee, whenever the employee is enrolling into the plan or enrolling spouse, automatically the targets will be derived. Okay. Fine. So plan details, these are US specific. As I said, I'll give the documentation for Affordable Care Act for hourly wage employees. Oh, okay. Go to the benefits, rates, and eligibility. Benefit group. Okay. Save it. Sir, Affordable Care Act, as I said, I will provide some documents and some high level overview in one session.
Okay.
Yeah, mostly for hourly wage. Our plan is ready. We will have to test it. Right. So we get the plan, sir, and let's continue with the testing. Overall, what will happen here is, so you give 5% here, right? Or 8%. It has to check the employee total base pay. On that, the calculation must be derived as a coverage. Let's see that. So for that, remaining is creating event and all will complete. Create benefit event. MD healthcare salary for something random I'm giving. Medical, same coverage to be reused. USA, sorry, worker selectable. Vesta standard. Then we'll go to enrollment event rule, test this plan. Oh, sorry, we didn't create. We're using the existing. So similarly, we'll give coverage rules as well. Medical. Allowed benefit plan changes, can select any plan. Allowed dependent changes, additional dependents allowed. Dependent types, spouse and children. Okay. Now we'll map our new plan under benefit planning and definition. Okay. Now let's test this. So we'll go with our favorite employees, the Mr. Jekyll. Okay. Before that, what is his compensation? We'll check. Fantastic.
There's no base pay?
Yeah, he doesn't have base pay. He doesn't have base pay. Let me check some other employee, sir. Base pay only. How Workday allowed them if they're not assigning base pay is the question. For example, if you assign compensation, salary is important component.
Yeah.
Give error message. How come they saved is the question. Okay. Who else? Let's see from his team. Okay, she has base pay. Okay, she has
Yeah.
base pay. Again, some overriding things are there. So the Sunshine pay also. So let me check. Shanghai.
Oh, location. It's not going to
Shanghai.
work because of the
Yeah, she is not eligible for our plan.
no eligible. No, can we go back to that to check that we can use the eligibility this thing to see those that are
Yeah. Okay, no problem. I will find out. I'm just trying to Ronaldo.
okay. This one is in California. I don't know
Hmm.
whether it's that Ronaldo.
Okay,
Ronald.
Ronaldo. This guy.
Mm-hmm. Don't know whether the data is complete.
Hmm. Okay.
It's a test data. I've messed it up too.
I am.
Let's just find worker to this thing. Okay.
No worries. Will what I do here is we have our own shortcut. Hmm.
So the classification for the one we created today and that of okay, because
Hmm.
both are PPOs.
Yeah, I gave the same one actually without
Okay.
checking that. Yeah, you can change. You can change. Okay. Why is it not showing eligible employees? In real time, I mean, when you're working in real time, we have active data, so we don't run into these issues. But this is a practice and right? So people might be
Yeah.
practicing. That's fine. Yeah, it should show all eligible employees.
Okay.
Okay, let me run the report or else. 21003. Terminated.
I'll be able to use it.
He's a right perfect employee for our testing. So what I do is I'll rescind his termination so that our test.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope there is no post termination challenges or events. Quick try. I guess
It's not rescindable.
this is correct. There are so many.
There's been so many activities,
We could resend everything, then hit.
other events that have been done there.
Yeah, right, sir. I'll still give a try. Each one is dependent. I don't know who is practicing so much messed up. Oh God, each one has its super dependency. It's a perfect test employee for our requirement. 511. How to figure it out some other guys, sir. Same person. It's okay. Anyhow, it's testing on me. We'll give it a try. Does he has compensation? Okay, perfect.
Okay.
So on 1,50,746, 5% we'll calculate. Okay.
Yeah.
150,746. 7,537 per month divided by 12. 628 should come. Let's see. Somewhere round up, round down will be there. That's okay. Change benefits. Again, we'll check eligibility issue if it is any. Submit. Open. Enroll. This is the one which we have chosen earlier.
Yeah. That was the one for yesterday.
It's calculating correctly only, sir. Oh, excellent. Earlier, this is a bug in Workday. Sir, now can you open your any calculator for your just understanding? Can you open any calculator?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's take this employees total base pay, sir. Just to understand how Workday is calculating.
Yeah.
So 150746, okay? Multiply by 5 divided by 100. What is the value, sir?
Oh, okay. That was to do 5%, right? Okay.
Yeah. Can you help me? What is the 5% on
Yeah.
this? Okay. Now you might got some 6,000 change, something correct?
Oh, one
150746
746.
divided by 150746 multiply by 5%. I mean multiply by 5 divided by 100. 7,537 you might have got.
Oh, I don't know why I'm getting a wrong figure. One five
Oh,
seven
is it?
four
No worries.
six
Let me open calc here. No worries, sir. Let me try.
five.
Calc. Okay, you can see here, sir, on the screen.
Just okay.
One
Yeah.
five 0746. Right, sir. This is the employee total base.
Yeah.
5% we set for employee. Okay.
Yeah.
Multiply by 5 divided by 100. So 7,537
Okay.
is coming. Okay.
Yeah.
But any guess why it is showing 628 here? It's supposed to show 7,000 something. Correct? Any guess?
Yeah, because that's for annual, and because every
Ah, very good.
so it will be 628 that the employee will contribute per month.
Exactly. If you put this formula again, divided by 12,
Yeah.
620.1.
Yeah.
Okay?
So then with the rounding off rule, it turned into 0.11.
Yeah, correct. So it's working. Right, sir?
Yeah.
And let's say for spouse, we mentioned 8%, isn't it? We'll check that also. So increased here, you see,
Yeah.
10%. It is increased. It's working. Very good. So,
Correct.
any questions, sir, on this percentage of salary?
No, I'm good.
Now let's do another one. I'm just discarding, cancel. I'll cancel this. I would like to show multiple components. So sometimes you may get such requirements. Okay. Now, you remember, sir, we created one component. When I say component, salary plus car
Salary
allowance. Plus car
allowance.
allowance. Okay. Of course, this employer doesn't have car allowance. What I do is I will assign a car allowance. We'll create another plan and we will test. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna create assign car allowance, some car allowance randomly. Compensation.
Competition. Oh,
Oh, she
the,
doesn't assign
you
herself
don't have
compensation.
the to be able to do that.
Yeah, but we logged into her account only, right, sir? So she
To
cannot assign
do
herself.
okay.
Yeah, so we'll go to proxy to Logan.
Request compensation.
Yeah.
Request compensation change.
That'll be effective 1/1/2023. Uh, okay. We'll give some value.
At allowance.
Frequency is what? Monthly. 500 6,000. Let me increase to. It's okay. Let's go with that number. Submit.
It's showing error.
Someone made this expected end date is mandatory. May trigger some approval, sir. Quickly we'll do that. No problem. I will go to reassign it, sir. You got the point, sir? What exactly we're trying?
Yeah, yeah.
Assign a car allowance and car allowance
Sure.
display, and we will test that. Now we'll go to our account and we'll see that. Okay, sir. Okay, where is car allowance?
Oh. Maybe it has not been approved.
No, it is successfully completed. Might be we entered the past date, right, sir? Some changes might be updated for the current or future date. It's testing itself. It's chilling.
They've had too much data. Okay, on the first, it's going to be down. Because you 1/1/2023. So the events.
Or let me check this way.
Yeah. Composition. No, that's it down. Had or composition change is down. Request car allowance. Yeah.
But you got that
Completed.
issue, what happened?
Or which one? Yeah, because there has been another look at another compensation chain, car allowance also. Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
If you assign anything prior to this date, after this date it works, or else no.
So
Okay.
there's been another one on the 0326.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we come 0326 20. That's another car
Let
allowance.
me try to resign this. Okay. So we can bring our plan to active status. I don't have an option.
No, I think maybe that one was EIB loaded.
Hmm. Correct. Correct, sir.
On the business process. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So here we can track all our compensations. Hmm. Loaded 3AB.
Yeah, it's EIB. We won't be able to rescind that from here. And the date is actually gone past too. So we'll go through another process of removing it.
Even though if we resigned, we don't know what is the earlier change, right? So they might remove the plan. So there's no luck. So I will reassign the plan to the worker. That is the only best option. P26, right? Excuse me, sir. It should not, now it should appear. We'll check. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have these two components. We'll create an element again. Sir, while you do practice, now three scenarios we are trying, right? While you do practice, I request try based on the years and length. It's straightforward only. Yeah.
Okay.
AMD, what do we call this as? Health care rate base pay plus car. So now we're going to check accumulate car allowance plus base pay and then it will calculate, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. So any percentage you would like to suggest?
Mm, okay. Let's do for employee. Let's just still remain for 5% for employee.
Uh-huh.
Then for that, let's do 8%.
Right, sir.
10.
10. I'm creating benefit plan and group is quick level perform. Oh, it's not a flat rate. When you say flat rate, you need to enter amounts manually, sir. When you say
Okay.
calculate based on healthcare rates, it will calculate.
Okay, so if we are going to use a flat, we will not have to create
Healthcare rate.
healthcare rate. Okay.
No. Directly you can go ahead and create. You can give the values on the plan itself. Or I'll use the existing one. Simple. Oh. So what I'm saying is I will use the existing one, sir. You got my point?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't need to create in that case. I'll go directly and map the plan. Three plans should come. Okay, sir. All three are there. And this one we have not given, sir. Okay.
Okay.
AMD. This is our plan, sir. Select, but let's do calculation also. So let's take calculator. Salary 150,746. Okay. Plus car allowance, this is base pay, sir. Okay.
Yeah,
$500 multiplied by 12. $6,000.
6,000.
6000. Total value. This is divided by 5%, right? We get
Yeah.
31349. Why it is coming this much?
No, you didn't buy 100.
Oh, sorry. Should I do again?
150.
150,746 plus 6,000 accumulate. Total is this.
Yeah.
Multiply by 100. Sorry. Multiply by 5, right?
Multiply by 5 times 100.
Multiply by 5 divided by 100. 7,837
Yeah.
divided
Divided by
by
12.
12. 653. Perfect.